Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Spider-Man Remastered game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Now within the Settings page, you will find the text language at the very beginning. This will be set to your chosen language by default. So just click on the left and right arrows to change into the various other languages that are within the game. Once you have chosen your desired language, you can simply go back with the escape button and your changes will be saved immediately. You can now start enjoying your game with your chosen language, and if at any point you wish to change it once again, you can just click on the third option from the main menu and then choose your desired language from the very first setting. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Spider-Man Remastered game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.